de la cacería.
Cacería.
Cacería, o sea, esa palabra cacería quiere decir que yo puedo comer un animal de la selva
Ya.
y yo lo como.
Ya.
Y los monos.
Monos también.
Monos también comemos.
Good morning internet, it is 7:30 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the parking lot of the place that I'm staying here in Zamora, Ecuador. Today is going to be a long day, I think. I am going to ride 360 kilometers today, but I think the road should be okay, but hey, I guess we'll find out. Let me show you on the map what the plan is. So I'm now here in the south of Ecuador in Zamora. And today, in one day, I'm gonna ride all the way to the top of the map here again, to somewhere, I don't know, somewhere on this road. So if you compare it, last time I rode in 1, 2, 3 days to here, and now I'm gonna go in one day all the way back up here. So let's see if I'll make that. Before I leave town, I'm just going to fill up. It's such a big difference compared to riding Savannah, that now with Alaska this tank is 12.8 liters and my fuel economy is really good. It says here actually in the screen I'm doing on average 3 liters per 100 kilometers. So basically that means with this tank my range is over 400 kilometers. 420 or something, which is just really, really nice. So on a day like this I just need to fill up once and then I'll just easily make it to my destination, so that's super nice. It's actually quite a large place here, but just a stunning setting just in between the mountains here. I mean, what a place to live, right? Here it is.
Moto pesada.
Disculpe.
Pesada la moto.
150 kilos.
Tú eres fuerte.
Claro.
Súper.
Super, porfa, ya. See if I can pass this bus somehow. That would be nice. Another bus. Wow, look at that bridge. That is more fun. Look at this. What a fantastic place to ride. It's a shame that it's all paved, but other than that, wow. I am loving this. Let me just go go to the shop. Because this morning I forgot to actually fill up my camel bag. So I don't have any water with me. Surely they'll sell water there. Hola. Hola. Buenos días. ¿Tiene un botella de agua grande?
¿Agua?
Sí.
¿Así?
Sí, dos, porfa.
Ya.
¿Cuánto vale?
$1.20 los dos.
$1.20. Gracias. Ooh, those mangoes look super good, hey? Yum. Not sure what this is actually. Looks exotic. Maybe I should take one and try it. ¿Cómo se llama esta fruta?
Pitahaya.
Pita? Pitahaya.
Para la digestión es.
¿Puedo comer como así? Ah, ¿cuánto vale?
50.
50. Gracias.
Ya.
Right, I'm just gonna bring this thing, and when I find a nice spot, then we're gonna do some surgery and cut it open. The sun is also coming through now. Oh, I am just loving this ride. It's actually quite relaxed because it's all asphalt and I can just enjoy the forest. And the mountain views and everything, so I'm having a good time. Look at this bridge. What an amazing scenery. Look at this. That was probably the old bridge. I've had some torrential downpour. That's why I stopped and put my rain jacket on. Now it is dry again. But you can see there has been a lot of water that came down. It's all just very locally. And then a few hundred meters later it's dry again. I almost drove straight through this thing. This is the only road, I think, or not? Is there another road? No, there's another one. I have to find a way around this. So I don't know where that roadblock exactly is, but hopefully I can just pass on this side. Otherwise, I don't know. Let me see. Hopefully, if this is open, then there's no problem. Yeah, see, that was the road. Ah, okay. No worries. Bypass it. On we go. Estación de la Cascada. Hola. Gracias.
Venga, venga.
Ya.
Venga,
Muy bien, gracias. Gracias. Sí. ¿Y en Brasil hay también gente que hablan el mismo idioma como ustedes o no? Solo en el
No,
parte de Ecuador.
Son muy diferentes.
Muy diferente otra
Sí.
vez.
En el Perú sí.
Ah, ok, en Perú
Ya.
sí.
Existe
En Iquitos.
Sí, indígenas que son parte del Achuat. Achuat, no
Ajá.
Shuar.
Ah,
Achuat
Ajá.
es otro idioma que manejan ellos, o sea, hablan otro idioma un poco más cerrado que
Ajá.
nosotros.
ah, ya.
Ya. Shuar hace relaciones, el diálogo Shuar y Achuat.
Ajá.
Nos entendemos.
Ah,
Escucho yo
Ya.
lo que habla un Achuat. Mi señora,
Ajá.
la Rosa,
Sí.
es Achuat.
Ah,
Yo
ok.
soy Shuar.
Pero
sí.
pueden entender.
Sí,
y-
nos entendemos, pero
Ah.
en español.
Oh, hablan
Sí,
español
sí,
entre vosotros.
Sí. Ella habla su idioma Achuat,
Sí,
muy diferente,
muy diferente. Ah,
rápido. Si una vez, bueno, esta vez cuando viaje a la costa,
Ajá.
ahí va a ver que los costeños no hablan tan claro el castellano,
Sí.
el español.
Sí.
Ya.
Sí.
Hablan rápido.
¿Y entonces de dónde está su
Está al centro suroeste.
Centro sureste.
Sí,
Ah, ok.
sí. Casi a la frontera del
De
Perú.
Perú, ya,
Sí.
ya.
Y todo recorre de aquí, los ríos
Sí.
van hacia Perú, formando la Amazonía. Las anacondas esos son para abajo.
Ah, las anacondas.
Sí. Entonces eso va casi al Brasil.
Sí.
Ya.
¿Ven anacondas a veces? Sí.
Aquí no.
Aquí no. Ah, ok.
Aquí no hay nada. Ni las serpientes, no.
Ah, ni hay.
No, poco.
¿Mono?
Poco, poco.
Poco.
Sí.
¿Qué animales hay aquí?
Aquí hay mono,
Mono,
capir.
capir.
Sí, ese es un
Ah, con
animal.
el
Sí,
nariz.
con el
Ah,
nariz,
ya.
es color negro.
Ah, como.
Eso.
Ah, ya.
Esos. Esos.
Ah, ya.
Hay esos. Hay diferentes monos.
Ah, ya. ¿Ustedes, cómo se llaman? ¿Grabar un animal para comer?
Sí,
¿Cómo se llaman?
de la cacería.
Cacería.
Cacería. O sea, esa palabra cacería quiere
Cacería.
decir que yo puedo comer un animal de la selva
Ya,
y yo lo como.
ya.
Ya.
¿Y qué animales prefieren?
O sea, lo que nosotros comemos de la selva es la guanta, que tiene un colorcito pintado.
Ok.
Sí.
Ajá.
La pava, que son como pollos, como,
Ah, ok, ya.
sí, como
Ya.
chicken, así.
Ah, ya, ya.
Ese tipo.
Ajá.
Ya. Son grandes, pequeños.
Ajá.
Y los monos.
Monos también.
Monos también comemos. Y el oso, que es como perro, pero
Ah,
tiene
ok.
un largo, grande.
Ya.
Tiene
Ah,
las
osos.
Osos. Ya.
¿Viven aquí también?
Sí, eso
No,
existe
oso
en
es
la
como
selva.
lobo. No.
Sí, como lobo.
Es como lobo.
como lobo.
Ah.
Pero eso se consume. Y los peces,
Ah, peces.
peces grandes, hay chiquitos, más pequeños.
They have prepared this amazing food for me. And after I finish this, I'm gonna go to the waterfall and to the cabaret. But first, let's eat this. It looks amazing. Alright, that was a really nice meal. And now we're gonna go to the waterfall and to the cabana. But they just asked me if I don't have a tent or any like sleeping gear. And I was like, no. So I think it's not really equipped. But I think they're looking for something now. So that's really nice. And yeah, this is all their land. So that waterfall is actually, it's theirs. All these houses here, it's all one big family. The man I was speaking to, he has 10 children. And they all live here. Ya, no hay problema. is almost getting dark now. So Antonio and his wife Rosa, they are here with me. They came with me to the cabana as well. And Rosa already made a fire here. So she's gonna do some cooking later. And yeah, then I'm gonna spend the night here. What an incredible place. And I mean, there are 12 different indigenous groups in Ecuador. And for me as a foreigner, yeah, it's almost impossible to really distinguish between the indigenous groups. But I just find it amazing to stay here with this community and yeah, with the people that live in the Amazon, in the forest. And they told me that nowadays, you know, 2021, a lot of them, they live in like small villages, kind of where I arrived. But they still go out here. Antonio and his wife come here pretty much every day. And I mean, this is their land. This is their waterfall. How incredible is that, right? Really, really quite special place. So I think tonight I'm gonna sleep there. They're not really used to people coming and sleep in that cabin, so they are preparing a bed for me right now. So that is so super sweet. So yeah, I am shattered. It was a long day. It was a long ride actually. A lot of rain, and then some more walking through the forest and through rivers and all of that. It's quite an ordeal, but yeah, pretty amazing. Amazing to be here. And yeah, let's see how the evening will go and what's gonna happen tomorrow. So yeah, that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.